In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to toggle on profile status in PayPal. If you want to make sure your PayPal profile status is turned on, this is a quick process and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Make sure you're already signed into your PayPal account before you begin, so you can follow along without interruption. To get started, look toward the top area of your PayPal account and click the gear icon. This gear icon opens your account settings, which is where you'll find the profile and account options needed for this setup. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the top corner of the page, since its exact placement can vary slightly depending on the device or browser you're using. Once you're inside settings, click on Account. This section contains important account-related options, including items connected to your PayPal profile. Opening the Account tab helps you move one step closer to the setting you need. After that, find the paypal.me link section. Next to it, click Manage. This will take you to the area where you can control settings related to your paypal.me profile, including visibility and profile status options. If the page takes a second to load, just give it a moment, since PayPal may redirect you to a separate settings page. Now, on the paypal.me settings page, navigate to Profile Status and toggle it on. This is the key step in the process. When the toggle is turned on, your profile status should become active. In most cases, the switch will change appearance to show that it has been enabled. Take a quick look after clicking to confirm that the setting has actually updated. And that's it. Once the profile status is toggled on, your change should be saved through the PayPal settings interface. It's a simple adjustment, but it can be useful if you want your PayPal ME profile to be active and available according to your preferences. As a final tip, after enabling the setting, it's a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and visually confirm that the toggle remains on before navigating away. That helps ensure the change has been applied successfully. Thanks for watching, and that's how to toggle on profile status in PayPal.